Good to see you guys. My name is Kazem Moridi, and in this video, I'm going to show you that make your life a lot easier than before. In the past, when we want to add some widgets to our app or even the trees, we need to write them down manually and just typing them down. And by doing this, we're going to face a lot of errors or bugs. Even when you are trying to edit some widgets in a very long tree of widgets, you need to find the comma over the lines and just pinpoint these brackets, and that took a lot of attention and your brain. So in order to avoid this problem, Google tries to make some shortcuts, and in order to overcome this problem. In order to use this shortcut, if you are using Android Studio, you can directly use Alt Enter over the widgets, or you can just click on this light bulb and just use this. Or if you are using VS Code, you can use it directly by Control dot plus dot keyboard, and then you can do this. So I'm using Android Studio, and in order to use this shortcut, I can directly click over this widgets and into Alt Enter. After that, I'm going to use one of these widgets. There are some built-in widgets that are available for us, like builder, center, column, container, padding, rows, size by string builder. Or we also can also add wrap it with another widget. For example, I want to wrap this widget with a center, so I could directly use center and just enter, and just you can Control S, and as you see, this widget is applied to the code and the UI. For example, sometimes I want to for example swap this with the parent. I'm going to use this one, but because center is not like that, there are lots of features. For example, I want to wrap this with for example a container. Let me go take a look at. Okay. And also you need to add comma between the before the parentheses in order to control all L works, in order to format the Flutter code works. So you need to be careful of commas because it's very important to formatting the code in the Dart in the Flutter language, Flutter UI Nginx. And also I can use, for example, some features such as, for example, a stump decoration, box decoration, for example, or I think called background shadow or color. Let me go put colors dot red. That's it. As you can see, everything works fine and it's working. Also, if you don't want to use this and want to use the built-in feature of Flutter directly in the Android Studio, you can go to the more tool windows and select the Flutter outline. As you can see, it's going to show you the outline of your tree. I mean the Flutter inspector tool, which is available over here, more tools, and selecting the Flutter inspector. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go to the tools and Flutter, or there's some um I mean go to the views and tool windows and Flutter inspector. As you can see, we have some UIs tool available over here, which shows how to our trees widget trees works. For example, we have a material app at the very top, then my home widget, which is a widget and a scaffold, center, container, and a text in it. So we can use this inspector tool to view the our widgets. I think that's enough for this video. If you like my video, please consider leaving a comment or like. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.